You are not weak. You were just planted in the wrong soil. If I put grass in the tropical rainforest, it'll probably grow. But if I put it in the Sahara Desert, it probably won't. Could you agree or disagree with that? Right? So if I'm asking myself, why aren't things working the way I want them to? Maybe I gotta ask myself, am I planting the seeds that I have in the proper soil for them to grow in the proper conditions? Maybe you're not. And for ourselves, the things that make up our soil are our influences, meaning the things that are in our environment. So everything that we see around us, everything we hear around us, everything we smell around us, everything we say in our area or we hear around us in our area, everything we feel, right? So our senses, all 5 of them, create an impact in our life that allow influences to come in and permeate into our subconscious, meaning they get to come and bury our seeds with weeds. They get to distract us. They get to pull us away. They get to move us from the thing we're supposed to be doing. They get to take our energy, our time, our attention. And what happens? What happens then? Our energy gets pushed in a different direction. Is it the direction we want it to be? Probably not. Our distractions become stronger than our vision. Does that mean that we get to build our life? Probably not. The way that we want to? Probably not. According to our dreams? Probably not. What does it mean though? It means that we have to do an audit. We have to audit our top 5 influences. So think about all the 5 things that influence you the most. Is it your friends? Is it media? Is it mentors? Is it family? Is it social media? Is it the radio, music? What makes the biggest impact in your life? What influences you, pushes you, pulls you? What is it? Write down those top 5 things. I need you to do your next thing, right? So that's step 1. Audit every influence in your life and pick the top 5. Step 2, remove the most toxic influence in your life. The most toxic influence in your life, remove it. You have no idea how much a plant is restricted from growing until you remove the weeds around it. I don't know if you've ever been farming before, if you ever planted anything in soil, but when you're growing anything in the wild, there's a liability for animals to come and disrupt it, for insects to come and disrupt it, for other plants to come and disrupt it. There's a lot of things that are ready to take in the same nutrients that you have. And you have to be able to guard it, on guard, all times, to make sure that you're disciplining yourself, aka you're taking out the weeds, you're putting up barriers to keep the food safe from animals, you're putting out pesticide or some type of other plant that benefits this plant but keeps away insects, right? So when you learn to cultivate your land properly, when you learn to cultivate your environment properly, when you learn to cultivate everything around you properly, you're able to produce and yield more from your crops, from your results, from your life. So the key is not to add more things into your life, but it's to remove distractions, aka remove weeds, remove things that are not going to be helpful or beneficial to your growth. Remove them. And the last but not least, I need you to add one area of growth. I don't know if that's going to be a book, if it's going to be a coach, if it's going to be a mentor, if it's going to be a trainer, if it's going to be a family member, a friend, if it's going to be a podcast, if it's going to be a gym membership. What is one area that's a growth area in your life and then you can have as an influence? It's going to help you grow. It's going to help you push you in the right direction. And this is in alignment with what your vision is, of your highest self, of your greatest self, of your healthiest self, of your richest self, of your most successful self, of your most loving self, of your most connected self. Whatever vision you have of yourself, what is one thing that's going to help you get there? What is one thing that's going to help prepare you to be the most efficient version of yourself today, to be the closest you can to achieving the success of yourself? See, it's not about having it all put together, but it is about having the right intentions, moving in the right direction. And sometimes we don't always make the right choices, the right direction, but we're still moving with intention. Therefore, we can learn from our mistakes to keep moving in the right direction. It's better to fail in the direction we want to go and fail in that path than it is to not do anything at all and never know. Because at least with failing, now you know what not to do. And you're one step closer. So again, your environment is going to shape you. It's going to impact you. It's going to help you grow or help you stop growing. And if you're not growing, you're dying. So there's influences around you at all times. Find the top 5 influences. Find the top 5 influences. Remove the most negative one and add one that's most positive. It's going to help you go and grow in the highest trajectory possible. That's it. All right. Let me know what you're going to remove in your life in the comments down below. Also, let me know what you're going to add in the comments down below. And if you feel comfortable enough sharing your top 5, write it down. As always, stay blessed, stay beautiful. I'm your life coach. Peace and love.